Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I am Dr. Claudia Albers, Planet X research and professional physicist. And today I'd like to bring to you another one of my articles. This one's entitled Planet X Creating Sinkholes All Over the World. Now, sinkholes have been appearing all over the world for many years. Some are large and some are small, but surprisingly a lot of them are circular, which is very telling as to what is actually causing them. And figure 1 shows a sinkhole opening up in Brazil in 2014, and because of the houses falling into it and the angle from which the event is filmed, it's not clear whether the hole is circular or irregular in shape. However, too many sinkholes are perfectly round for it not to be a factor in us determining what is causing the sinkholes. And here you can see the sinkhole opening up, and it's getting larger, and eventually this house starts to fall into it. So this occurred in Rio in 2014, and it swallowed 3 houses, or it destroyed 3 houses. This is a smaller sinkhole which opened up overnight in the UK in 2014, and it is roughly circular on the outside, but inside the walls of the hole, if you look carefully here, they seem to be even more circular than the opening at the surface, suggesting that the ground inside the hole was pushed down, but the surface may have fallen in. And here's another one. This is a small, perfectly circular sinkhole which opened up in this woman's bedroom in Guatemala City in July of 2011. And this is another much larger sinkhole which opened up in Guatemala as well in May of 2010. It's perfectly circular too. So if sinkholes were due to support underground collapsing through, for example, magma moving somewhere, leaving holes deep underground and thus the ground above losing support and collapsing, we would expect sinkholes to be irregular in shape, but they are clearly circular instead. Circular sinkholes have to be caused by a force which affects a circular region. Only a force exerted by a spherical object can affect a circular region. Thus, sinkholes are not due to something changing inside the Earth. They are due to a force from above, a repelling force exerted by a spherical object above the ground. And sinkholes form in many different sizes, suggesting that the objects exerting the forces come in different sizes. Sinkholes have different depths, indicating that the repelling strength of the force varies. Deeper holes are created most likely by a stronger repelling force. The small but very deep hole in figure 3, well, it's very deep in relation to the diameter of the hole. So it suggests that it was created by a small object which exerted a very strong repelling force for its size. So the fact that the repelling tidal force is exerted over such a small region suggests that it is tidal in nature and thus exerted by objects very close to the surface of the Earth. A tidal force is gravitational in nature, which shows that the gravitational force can cause repulsion as well as attraction. The only objects that can approach the Earth close enough to give rise to such a sharp tidal force are, of course, Planet X objects, or Planet X system stellar cores, which are the cores of dead stars, planets, and moons. The fact that Planet X objects can exert repelling gravitational forces provides an explanation for why ocean recession events occur. And here are 2 of these events. This one was in Uruguay, August 11, 2017. This one it was on the Brazilian coastline, August 12, 2017. And these events were unprecedented. These coastlines had never experienced such low tides, and forces which affect the level of the ocean are tidal in nature. And this shows that tidal forces can be repelling and thus cause low tides. And you may look at Article 227 entitled Stellar Cores Affecting Earth and Possible Connection to Volcanic Eruptions. So, in conclusion, Planet X objects cause the formation of sinkholes when their tidal influence is repulsive. Planet X objects' gravitational influence being repulsive also explains why ocean recession events occur. This is Dr. Claudia Albers, Planet X physicist. Thank you for watching.